Charles Darwin proposed his famous theory of natural selection in the year 1859. He published his famous theory of natural selection in his famous book called as Origin of Species. The theory of natural selection, which means that nature itself selects or decides which organisms to survive or to perish. Natural selection, which means that nature itself selects which organism should survive or perish, selected by the nature. That means the organisms with useful traits are going to survive. If the traits are not useful, the organisms will not survive. That means they are perished by the nature. If the traits are not useful, they are eliminated from the nature. The organisms with useful traits will survive in nature. This is called as natural selection. Russell Wallace independently concluded that natural selection contributed to origin of new species. For example, red beetles were seen by the crows and was eaten by the crows, and these red beetles was eliminated. The green beetles were not noticed by the crows, hence the green beetles survived in the nature. And the green beetles gradually increased in the environment because it favors them to grow well and reproduce. Hence the green beetles populations increased in the environment, and this was an example for natural selection. Struggle for existence. Nature favors only useful variations. Struggle for existence. Nature favors only useful variations. Each species tend to produce large number of offsprings. They compete with each other for food, space, and mating. They compete with each other for food, space, mating, and other needs. This is called as the survival of the fittest. This is called as the survival of the fittest. The survival of the fittest leads to the formation of new species. Darwin's theory is universally accepted. Hence, we honor him as the father of evolution.